CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.4, given a scenario, configure and use web browser features. Browser password management. Let's face it, keeping track of all your online passwords can be a real headache. With so many accounts spread across different websites and services, it's easy to lose track or start reusing the same password again and again. Fortunately, modern web browsers offer a built-in solution that makes things easier. It's called password management. A password manager is a feature built into most modern web browsers that securely stores your login information, including usernames and passwords. Once your credentials are saved, the browser can automatically fill them in when you revisit a website. This saves time, reduces typing errors, and helps you avoid the hassle of remembering multiple passwords. These saved passwords are encrypted and linked to your browser profile. That means if you're signed into the same browser account on multiple devices, and profile synchronization is enabled, your saved passwords can follow you, whether you're on a laptop, phone, or tablet. Browser password managers also help you create stronger passwords. When signing up for a new site, your browser can suggest a secure, complex password and save it on the spot. And don't worry, these features are designed with safety in mind. If you want to view or edit your saved passwords, most browsers will ask you to confirm your identity first, like entering your device password. You can also go into your browser settings to manage your saved credentials whenever you need to. While some users still prefer third-party password managers for extra features, the built-in tools in modern browsers are more than enough for most people. They make it easier to stay secure and organized without the hassle of remembering every login. So if you're tired of forgotten passwords and constant resets, let your browser do the remembering for you. It's simple, secure, and saves you a lot of time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.